So today in this video we shall factorize x square minus 13x plus 40. So first we factorize the last number 40. So it is 2 times 20 mean 40, 2 times 10 mean 20 and 2 times 5 mean 10. So now we got 2, 2, 2 and 5, and by multiplying among them we need 13. So 2 times 2 mean 4, 4 times 2 mean 8 and this 5. So 8 plus 5 mean 13, but we need minus 13. So minus 8 minus 5, it means it is minus 13. So it becomes x square minus 8x minus 5x plus 40. So minus 8x minus 5x means minus 13x. So now we find out the common factors in these both first expression and these both last expression. In the first, the common is x. So remainder here x, here minus 8. In the last, the common here is minus 5. So remainder here x and at last minus 8. So now we again find common in first expression and last expression. So both contain x minus 8. So common here is x minus 8. So remainder in the first x, in the last minus 5. So the required factors are x minus 8 and x minus 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.